how to find account number on FedEx. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can find your account number on FedEx. And here is how to go about it. There are two steps, alright, the two methods. There's through the online method and through the invoice method. Online, the first step is to log in into your FedEx account by visiting the FedEx website. So once you're on the website and you can see these icons such as rate and ship, track, locations. The next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see the sign up or login option. Once you can see that, the next thing to do is to click on sign up or login. Then after clicking on sign up or login, and you're taken to the page where you can log in and all of that, once you're logged in, the right top will change to account instead of sign up or login. And then click on it. Then after clicking on it, click on my profile. So after clicking on my profile, you'll be taken directly to your profiles page. So in the profiles page, click on account management amongst the options displayed. After clicking on account management, you'll be taken to your account management page. And on the account management page, you would see your FedEx account number listed there. So this is my profiles page right now. And so, like I said, you click on account management and then you'll be taken to the next page where you would see your account number. And then once you've seen the account number, you can now go ahead, copy it and use it for wherever you want to. So that is it. This is how you can find your account number on FedEx. Thanks for watching and ensure you practice this.